Hello, everybody. I am Arya from Grandview Elementary School. Today, I will tell you about the solar system. There are 8 official planets. Pluto, as of 2006, is a dwarf planet due to the fact that it was so tiny and small. And there are 2 belts, the asteroid and the Kuiper belt. They are groups of rocks and ice. But allow me to begin. The sun will be the first thing that we will talk about. The sun is the centerpiece of the solar system. It is our natural resource provider, and it keeps us alive. Without it, we'd be on popsicles. But if we're too close to it, we'd be fish sticks. But let's move on. Mercury is the next thing we'll be talking about. Mercury is our first planet. Even though it is at least 3,000 kilometers away from the sun, it's not as hot as you'd imagine. It turns 99 degrees Fahrenheit below zero at night, but it's still hot during daytime. Why is it so cold at night? Nobody knows. But let's move on. Again, Venus is a second planet. Even though it's farther away, it's actually hotter than Mercury. It's considered the Earth's twins due to similar size. It's so hot tonight. But let's move on. For the third time, Earth is a third planet. It's called the Big Blue Marble due to the fact it is 75%, at least 3/4% water. It's the only planet with life, and it's only 1/4% land. Mars is the fourth planet. It has possible life. The biggest volcano is on this planet. So is the biggest canyon. Scientists are still studying the mystery. Is HR 2007 a rover name? I don't know. Let's ask the astronauts. The asteroid belt would be next. The asteroid belt is a belt of rocks. Comets sometimes go past it and crash into inner planets. It has over 1 billion rocks, but not much is known about it. Jupiter will be the next thing. And before we start talking about this, let me just say it is the first gas planet, which means it's made out of gas and it cannot be stepped on, because if you stepped on it, you would go right through it and fall into outer space. So let me keep going. Jupiter is the fifth planet. It is very big compared to the rest of the planets. That means the terrestrial planets. It's actually the biggest planet in the solar system. And when you look at it on a scale model, you'd see that the inner planets are so tiny compared to Jupiter and Saturn. It has a storm called the Great Red Spot. It's been going on for at least 314 years. But it started shrinking these days. It's too windy out here. Saturn is the next thing. Saturn is the sixth planet. It is known for its beautiful ice rings. They're made out of ice and dust. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, so pretty. Uranus is the seventh planet. It has some rings, much like Saturn, but unlike Saturn and any other planet, it actually spins on its side, which means it rotates vertically. It's also so pretty, but I am turning over. Neptune is the last planet that we'll be talking about. It has 2 storms. They are called the Great Dark Spot and the Small Dark Spot. Methane gives it its blue color. Almost everyone likes blue. The Kuiper belt is the last belt that we'll be talking about. The Kuiper belt is an alternate belt to the asteroid belt. It is part of the trans-Neptunian region. It has comets. They glow in the sky. They're also so pretty. Next, we'll be talking about Pluto. Pluto is the 9th planet, but it's no longer a planet. It is now a dwarf planet. As of 2006, scientists discovered it was too small to be a planet, so they named it a dwarf planet. It was never explored due to it being so far away. Now, the video is ending. I hope you have learned a lot about the topic, so I shall leave. What did you learn? Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching.